This time, Take makes a delicious grilled chicken for only €2. Chicken wings are an excellent ingredient that is found very inexpensively in Japan. He bought them at a 30% discount. They were about US €2 for a package of about 5. In Japanese supermarkets, discounts are offered when the expiration date is near to avoid wasting food. Place a cooking sheet on a cutting board. The wings consist of the radius and ulna bones. Insert a knife between these bones and cut into 2 pieces. Teba means wing. Take named this chicken Teba Teba chicken because the wings are divided into 2 parts. Season with salt. Sprinkle with pepper. Yakitori can be pretty smoky cooking, so grilling outside in the garden is recommended. Finally, dip the detached small radius part of the bone in the yakitori sauce. The delicious Teba Teba Yakitori is ready. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.